Alright, Brian's Camper update number 4. I've been putting up some wood on the ceiling. I think once the seams are sealed and I paint it white, it'll look pretty good. It's going to be lights in the original spots. Drilled a hole in the wrong spot, of course. But it's not turning out too bad. Here, pushed it above. The actual seam is right there because I couldn't get it up in one piece. It was a pain. But I got all the foam all the way back to here. I need to add 3 more pieces and I'll have all the foam in. Figure another day or two for the rest of the foam and the wood, and then I'll paint the ceiling and the walls and all that good stuff. I have to do something with this wood back here. I'm thinking like, I don't know, not tile, it'd be like the plastic stuff you can get at the Home Depot that you can put on there instead of this wallpaper. But it's coming together decently. I can already tell the difference in temperature in here. It seems a lot cooler even in the direct sunlight. Even though this is only I think it's 3 point something? Oh, 6.5. But there's an air gap above it of about 1 inch, so I would assume that probably brings the R value of the ceiling up. And then of course the wood and the rubber over top. That actually made a pretty big difference, that rubber roof. Because before you couldn't even hardly touch the aluminum roof. And then once we put that rubber roof on, it actually dropped the physical temperature by at least 10 or 20 degrees. Refrigerator's going to come out for sure. Like I said, we're going to change it with that 12-volt refrigerator. And it's just a matter of time. This thing will be back in pretty nice shape. I forgot to tell you, I was going to change this toilet out with either a store-bought or a made composting toilet, so I don't need to use the black water tank. Still use gray water holding tank and then just drain that when we need to. But other than that, here's your update number 4. Thanks. Talk to you later.